Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as a part of my Monochrome series, we are doing blue, if you can't tell. Gotcha. It's like, no, we're doing red, and I really love how this one turned out. I'm definitely feeling myself. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. When I decided to start this series, I definitely should have thought it out more, because as I was looking through my collection today, I don't have barely any red eyeshadow. When I came up with the idea, I was like, oh, I have pretty much all of the colors in the rainbow. This would be easy. But I should have looked through my stuff beforehand, because I barely have any red to work with. So with that being said, I will be pulling from 3 different palettes today. Those would be the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place, the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette. So each of those palettes only have like one color that I can work with for this look, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. Today I'm using P.Louise in number 4. So my base is down. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my crease color. So from that Masquerade palette, I'm pulling Ada. This is, it's like a reddish brown, almost like a brick red. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Use this as my transition color today. Now I'm just going in with a fluffier brush to blend out that edge. Now that that is blended out, I'm gonna take Wigglies from Jackie Aina, which is this one right here. It's like a deep shimmery red. And I'm gonna put that all, ooh. This is my first time using this. I wasn't expecting it to be that pigment, but that is pretty. I'm just putting that all over my lid. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I'm just gonna make sure to really blend that into that first eyeshadow that I put down, and they actually blend really well together. I'm leaving the inner corner of my eye. I'm leaving this inner corner of my eye kind of blank, just so that I have space to put down that shade I'm going to use from the Crayon case. I just want to like keep layering it on because it's so pretty. So now in my inner corner, I'm gonna take Strawberry Cream, which is this one here. I might take some of this Cranberry too. I forgot I was gonna use this shade. I'm gonna take some of this. I might put that in my crease too. Let's see. I really like the way that that cranberry just made the crease more red. It really warmed it up. I don't have a red eyeliner, so today I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick from the Crayon case, and this is in the color Murder Matte, and it's just like this really, really deep red. So I'm gonna use that along with like a really thin brush. This is actually a lip brush. Use it for this eyeliner today, and I'm just going to use this to line my eyes. I'm going to try to work quick before it dries down on me. So now that my lashes are on, I'm just gonna take a little bit of black eyeliner in the inner corner. And I'm doing this so that you don't see that line of demarcation where the lash starts. This just kind of helps it to flow more naturally. So I just applied my Fenty concealer. I'm gonna let that dry down just a little bit before I blend it out. And now I'm just taking a liquid highlighter and applying that and blending that in. And today I'm using more of a gold shade because I think red and gold go very well together. And I probably should have did this before I put my concealer down, but I forgot. Now I'm just going in with my foundation. It's Fenty, as usual. And that was just my Fenty banana powder. I don't feel like baking today, so I'm wiping that right off. I did apply a little bit underneath where my contour is gonna go. And now I'm just blending that banana powder into my bronzer. It's Caramel Cutie from Fenty, nothing new. To set my face today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me? Yeah, the Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in medium deep. This is my first time trying this one. Face is set, so now I'm just gonna go and do my under eye real quick. So I typically don't like red eyeshadow underneath the eyes because I feel like it can make you look sick sometimes. But I think with the smokiness of the black eyeliner and this Urban Decay Perversion mascara, I forgot how much I like this one for underneath my eyes because it makes my lashes just really pop, and sometimes I do have a hard time having that happen or making that happen. But this one is definitely good for lower lash line. But I think it looks good. I don't feel like I look sick or like The Walking Dead or anything like I usually feel like red eyeshadow does underneath your eyes. But yeah, so let's go ahead and move on and finish the face. So for blush, I don't have a true red tone blush. So what I'm gonna use today is this baked blush from Milani. And this one, it's like burgundy with some gold reflex in it. Because if you didn't know, burgundy is a shade of red, not purple. So we're gonna use this today. And actually, now that I'm putting it on, it does come off pretty red. I'm gonna really blend that out because if y'all haven't noticed yet, I'm not really a blush girl. So I don't like anything that's like super bold. And as I'm looking at my monitor over here, it looks very intense, but in person, it doesn't look that bad. And I kind of have a feeling when I go back and watch this footage, it's not gonna look as bad either. I'm learning that my monitor makes stuff look a little different. But I'm still going to blend that out. So what I'm gonna do to tone that down a little bit, I'm gonna take my face powder and just apply it on top. That was too much. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and blend it out. that already feels a million times better. It's still looking a little bright on my monitor over here, but we're gonna keep it moving. So like I said earlier, I feel like gold really goes well with red, so I'm just taking this highlighter from Ulta. I'm also gonna take a little bit of that highlighter and put it in my inner corner just to brighten that up. And last but not least, we're gonna do lips. I'm just going in with Nudist by the Crayon case. Actually, I take that back. I forgot, this one is too light. This is Coffee by the Crayon case. And now I'm just gonna take the Fenty Stunna lip paint. This one is in Uncensored. And I have a love-hate relationship with this because the color is so pretty and it's super, super bold, like a very, very bold red. But it doesn't dry down all the way. And I feel like whenever I wear it, it just ends up all over my face. So I don't know, she's changed the formula since then, because I bought this when she first released Fenty, which was what, back in 2017? I don't know, but like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with this one. I was gonna put on a gloss with it, but I'm really feeling the matte look, so we're gonna leave it matte. That's it for this face. Let me get cute real quick and we'll be right back and close this out. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. We made it work. Oh, I love it so much. I am feeling myself with this red. I'm definitely feeling myself, and I love the way that this turned out. I think Wiggly's might be like my new favorite eyeshadow. It is so bomb. I love it. Even with the blush, it's starting to grow on me a little bit. I really hope that you guys are enjoying this Monochrome series. I'm having a lot more fun with it than I thought I would, because it's giving me the chance to play in stuff that I don't usually touch, especially when it comes to blush, because y'all know I like to keep it natural. I just like my little bronze summer glow. But I love the way that this turned out. And if you did too, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a red heart in the comments if you made it this far. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing me. Anyway, I hope that you guys are staying safe. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.